you're still young to worry what you want to be when you are grow up. You should enjoy being still young. Don't think about what you want when you grow older yet, because it makes your childhood sad. You have enjoy being a kid right now, because while growing up you can discover what what you want in life. You can like discover yourself while growing up, and with the experience